Hey Kickstarter community, my name is Chris and I'm really excited to share with you what I've been working on for quite a while now. Now, it may come as a shock to many of you, but I don't think most people think of the game of beer pong or Beirut as particularly classy. But I actually think that's a mistake. I think it's a super fun game and people always enjoy playing it, and I think the world is ready for a slightly more mature version of Beirut. And so I went out and I started a company called Victory Tables with the idea to build a furniture-grade beer pong table that people could have in their homes for that barbecue or that get-together, but they're not embarrassed to pull out in front of their parents. So, without further ado, let me introduce you to the Victory One. There is a lot to love about the game of beer pong. Anyone can play. It doesn't require the same amount of expertise as pool or darts. It's more active than a lot of board games. It rewards creativity, if you play a strong defense that is. And like all world-class games, win or lose, you always want to play again. But there's a problem. Most folks' mental picture of beer pong is that it's played in a dark basement on a soggy piece of plywood. And because of that, a lot of the people that would love to play don't. Well, I set out to change that. But let me take you back a bit. A whole bunch of years ago, I built this for a buddy who introduced me to the game. No legs, but a start. Then, in my spare time, I built this. And then, I got serious and I built this. Then this. Then this. And this. And this. And then this. And finally this. This is the world's first furniture-grade folding beer pong table, and I believe it can help bring beer pong to bars, backyard barbecues, weddings, and man caves where it belongs. This example is crafted from cherry hardwood for a timeless aesthetic. It's sealed with catalyzed lacquer for a highly durable finish, and it easily folds for storage and transport. It's the beer pong table that an actual adult person can be proud to call their own. Now the table sports game-enhancing features like ball storage underneath, a microfiber towel to take care of those unfortunate spills, and no need to worry when the spills do happen. The table is finished with 2 coats of a commercial-grade catalyzed lacquer. It will withstand the rigors of the game and look beautiful for years to come. The raised lip of the table serves a couple of purposes. 1, it contains your liquid of choice. And 2, it keeps the cups on the table for that one friend that always throws bullets. And of course, the legs adjust for a level game. Now, the Victory One can easily serve as a picnic, dining, or party table for your next get-together, with of course, the entertainment built right in. When it's time to put the table away, simply fold up the legs, bring the 2 halves together, snap the clasp, and you're all set. This is the Victory One. Love your table like you love the game.